Time to go pick up the old weekly supply of watermelons. No, gosh darn it. You locked your keys in your van, didn't you? No, I didn't. Yeah, you did. Yeah, I did. Lucky for you, I can get in this van lickety split. You know how to pick locks or something? You see that there? You ain't got to pay no dude $65 to get in your van, okay? This ain't no big deal. Now, you got you a little more of a breeze. What's up, everybody? My name is Scott, and you're watching Kentucky Ballistics. We're back on the range, and today I have a rather unique shotgun that I'm not so sure about. Let's go check this thing out and get started. So today I have the Mossberg chainsaw. This is a 12 gauge pump action shotgun, but it doesn't look like your average pump action. It has a rather unique fore end and one heck of a muzzle brake. It's chambered for 2 3/4 inch and 3-inch shells and holds 5+1. These things were all the rage a few years back, so I finally decided to pick one up and see if it's legitimate or a gimmick. I'm super excited to try this thing out, but before we do, let me tell you about today's sponsor. You know, people come in all shapes and sizes, and some people are a little bigger than others. There's nothing wrong with that, but sometimes it can make finding a comfortable holster a little bit difficult. But luckily, there's a solution: the JX Tactical Fat Guy Holster. The JX Tactical Fat Guy Holster is an inside the waistband appendix carry holster that was built for those who are a little more dense. This holster was made to sit lower in the waistband for a more comfortable concealed carry. It features dual soft loops, and each holster has built-in adjustable retention, cant, and ride height, so you can dial in the perfect fit. A big thank you to JX Tactical for sponsoring today's video. Now, let's go blast some stuff. All right, it's time to get started, but first, there is a trespasser on the range, and he has brought attack chickens. You done messed up, Mr. Myers. You brought a knife to a chainsaw fight. With the show. So the first target I'm going to start out with today is a vac man. These are pretty cool. They're filled with beads. You stick that right there, and then you suck all the air out of it, and he gets all rigid. Not a whole lot left of vac man. That's pretty cool. All right, up next, we got 2 red cabbages and 2 pineapples. Oh! All right, that was a little bit messy. Let's continue with that. I have 4 2-liters of Diet Dr. Thunder. Shake weight! Next, I have a few targets that were sent to me by you, the viewer. I have some sprinkles and shaving cream. The sprinkles will not be so bad, but the shaving cream, that's going to be messy. have any idea how long it takes to clean up after a video like this. I gotta clean me, the range, my guns. The least you could do is hit that subscribe button. The shaving cream was pretty eventful, but I think this is gonna be even more eventful. I have two 1-gallon jugs of yellow mud.
Yellow melon time.
You have to excuse me, I'm not really sure what came over me. Let's shoot this mustard. Oh my gosh! Take a little shower here mid-video. Oh yeah. I didn't mean for this video to turn into a torture test video. That's kind of what's happening. Back to it. All right, up next we have a 6-pound can of the AK Guys sauerkraut and Garantham's favorite snack, the Garantham CRE crayons ready to eat. All right, folks, it's about to get really, really bad. I have a whole gallon of chocolate syrup and 3 of the most disgusting targets you could possibly think of. 1 whole gallon of horseradish. I'm pretty sure that was supposed to be in a refrigerator and it's been in a hot barn. 1 whole gallon of mayonnaise and a whole 6-pound can of eggplant puree. And I'm happy to report I could not find a single eggplant today to kick. This is about to be absolutely disgusting. I don't even know what to say. Why am I doing this? You know, you would think, after all that, I'd call it quits. Well, you'd be wrong. Up next, we have some slime. We have 1 gallon of really thick slime, 5 gallons of rather thin slime, and then 5 gallons of extra thick slime. It can't be! Let's talk about the Mossberg chainsaw. This video, unintentionally, kind of turned into a torture test. It never jammed on me, and it was pretty comfortable to shoot. I have to say, I think I like it. Well, I'm gonna head home and pressure wash the chainsaw and most likely pressure wash myself. What did you think about the Mossberg chainsaw? Let me know in the comment section down below. I hope you had just as much fun as I did today. If you did, do me a big favor and hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed to Kentucky Ballistics, do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. Also, be sure and check me out on Kentucky Customs, Kentucky Ballistics Shorts, Patreon, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Links to all those can be found in the description down below, along with a link to KentuckyBallistics.com, just in case you want to pick up a shirt. And as always, my name is Scott. Thank you so much for watching Kentucky Ballistics. I'll see you next time.